People are outraged to learn that for several consecutive months, Rishi Sunak has secretly been earning colossal sums from a project that was initially intended for ordinary citizens. Elon Musk personally presented to all British citizens this application capable of autonomously conducting stock market transactions with a positive outcome in 95% of cases without human intervention. Elon plans to initiate a global fight against poverty, and the first country where the application was supposed to operate was Britain. We decided to seek a comment from Rishi Sunak and hear his version of what's happening.
I want to assure you that we simply decided to test how this application works on ourselves in order to avoid risking the money of ordinary citizens. Now, I personally can vouch for the reliability of this investment platform and express gratitude to Elon Musk for choosing our country as the first one where this application will operate. Indeed, I and my surroundings have been earning through this application on our mobile phones for several months, but I assure you that was the plan all along. We needed to thoroughly test everything because we had no moral right to conduct testing on our citizens. What if things didn't work out and people lost their money? Then the blame would fall on me and my team, and I really didn't want that. As for the application itself, I am pleased to announce that starting this month, access to it is literally open to all citizens of Britain. All you need to do to work with it is register on the project's website, providing your details. Next, one of the technical department specialists will assist you in installing the application on your device, regardless of whether it is a tablet, mobile phone, or desktop computer. Then, you'll need to make a deposit, and the minimum entry threshold has been set at 200, as anything less wouldn't make sense. The algorithm simply doesn't perform well with amounts lower than that, but of course, more is better if possible. Once the funds are credited to your account, the program's algorithm will start working autonomously, executing profitable transactions on the stock market, using advanced artificial intelligence technologies without your direct involvement. All that will be required from you is to set up the frequency of payouts to your bank card, and you can receive payments either daily, weekly, or monthly. I personally instructed not to tax the profit income because the project is social in nature and aims to help people in Britain improve their financial well-being during a period of increasing inflation worldwide. According to our tests, with an initial deposit of $200 after a few days, returns ranged from $2,000 to $5,000, is such that at this pace, the enrollment will likely be closed permanently in just a week or two. Fortunately, those participants who manage to join will continue to receive profits for a lifetime. Therefore, if you've long dreamed of making a change in your life, I recommend not postponing it for tomorrow, as such an opportunity will likely no longer be available tomorrow.